In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PenFed account online. We'll walk through the entire process from the first click to securing your new login so you can get set up with confidence. Start by heading to the official website and navigating to the page for opening an account online. If there's a help section or a guide titled How to Open the Account Online, open it in a new tab. It gives a quick overview of requirements and can answer common questions while you apply. Next, choose the type of account you want. For savings, you'll typically see options like a regular savings or a premium online savings. Take a moment to review the features, minimums, and any notes about rates or access, so you're picking the account that matches your goals. When you begin the application, select the option for guests or new members if you're not already part of the credit union. Your membership will be created automatically during the application, so you won't need a separate sign-up. Work through the application form by entering your personal and contact information exactly as it appears on your identification. This helps avoid verification delays. Have your government-issued ID handy and be ready to answer standard identity questions the system may present. Many online accounts require you to agree to electronic delivery of disclosures and statements. Read those terms and accept them so you can continue the digital process without interruptions. You'll be asked to fund the account. You can link another bank by entering its routing and account numbers, or make an initial deposit that meets the displayed minimum for your chosen product. Double-check the transfer details before submitting. Submit your application and wait for approval. Some decisions are instant. Others may take a bit longer if additional verification is needed. Once approved, your membership is active and your account is open. A few important reminders as you wrap up. Membership is achieved through opening the savings account, so that step is required. Even if opening minimums are low, make sure you can maintain any ongoing requirements to avoid fees. If you're outside the United States, confirm eligibility and how you'll fund the account. Precision matters. Incorrect identity details can slow or block approval. After your account is live, enroll in online banking, create a strong unique password, and turn on two-factor authentication for added security. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll have your PenFed account ready to go.